Hidden inside your walls, a silent battle rages. Today, we expose plumbing's greatest rivalry. Plumbing choices profoundly impact your home's longevity and cost. Two main contenders dominate modern residential water systems. We are comparing PEX piping versus traditional copper lines. Understanding their differences is crucial for any DIY enthusiast. This comparison reveals which material best suits your next project. Making the right decision saves time, money, and future headaches. Copper piping boasts a rich, undeniable historical legacy. Ancient Egyptians and Romans used copper for water conveyance. Its reliability and durability have been proven for centuries. Type M copper is common for household supply lines today. Installing copper requires soldering skills and specialized tools. Professional installation ensures leak-free, robust connections. However, copper material costs are significantly higher presently. PEX, or cross-linked polyethylene, is a modern plumbing marvel. Invented in the 1960s, it gained U.S. popularity by the 1990s. PEX offers incredible flexibility, simplifying complex installations. Its color coding, red for hot and blue for cold, prevents errors. PEX type A provides superior flexibility and freeze resistance. PEX Type B is more rigid, but offers excellent burst strength. Installation involves crimping or expansion tools, not torches. Now, let's compare their real-world performance head-to-head. Copper pipes withstand high temperatures and pressures consistently. PEX is more freeze-resistant, expanding rather than bursting. Copper can corrode over time, especially with acidic water. PEX resists corrosion and scale buildup, maintaining water flow. However, PEX is susceptible to UV light degradation outdoors. Copper pipes often transmit water noise more noticeably inside walls. Some people report a slight plastic taste with new PEX systems. Consider the ease of DIY installation for your next project. PEX is remarkably homeowner-friendly due to its flexibility. Fewer connections mean less chance of leaks for beginners. Copper installation demands precision, often requiring a plumber. Material costs heavily favor PEX, making it budget-friendly. Labor savings are also significant for PEX installations. Investing in PEX tools is typically less expensive overall. Future repairs are often simpler with PEX's accessible fittings. Your choice impacts long-term costs and home maintenance. Both PEX and copper offer reliable, safe water delivery systems. PEX provides flexibility, cost savings, and simpler DIY installation. Copper offers unmatched durability, proven longevity, and heat resistance. Your specific project needs and budget truly dictate the best choice. Consider your DIY skill level and local building codes carefully. The right plumbing decision ensures years of trouble-free service. Make an informed decision to protect your home's vital systems. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.